Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing Essentials Fear of God hoodie that I got from StockX. So previously ordered some shoes from StockX, but this is the first time ordering some clothing from StockX. So let's see how they legit check that. Oh, interesting. Right off the bat, it's open. So maybe, I mean, I know they authenticate it, so maybe they forgot to zip it up. I don't know. Let's see if everything looks cool. All right, so StockX bag, but this is the bag, the Essentials Fear of God, one of their hoodies in black. Let me see. This is what the packaging looks like. Medium size. This is the bag that was open. Was supposed to be zipped up and stuff. Wonder if StockX puts their little tag on sweaters too. We're about to find out. Let's get it. Wow. Oh, they do. All right, StockX put their tag on it. Must be legit. Gonna leave the tag on, show everyone that I have a real hoodie. So, Essentials Fear of God. That is the brand. I like that this one was more minimalist. So, it's black on black. Pretty chill, simple hoodie. Like the black on black. Don't like logos popping too much. At an angle, it pops, but little 3D, different texture. Looking good. And there's also this minor detail on the left sleeve. Let's see. Quality overall it does feel soft. Good material. Standard kangaroo pouch thing, but yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think of this hoodie in the comments below, and I will let you know how I like it. Alright everyone, hope you're doing well. See you for the next unboxing video. Later.